Galaxy S10 5G phone catches fire. Samsung denies $1,200 refurbishment. Samsung unveiled the Galaxy S10 5G smartphone alongside the Galaxy S10 and Galaxy S10 Plus. It is also the world's first commercial 5G smartphone. Earlier this month, the company launched the Galaxy S10 5G in South Korea. Last week, the company also started accepting pre-order in the US and will be officially launched on May 16 via Verizon. Recently, one of the Galaxy S10 5G owners from its home country posted a few photos of burnt smartphone. According to him, his Galaxy S10 5G smartphone was burnt on and soon emitted smoke. Also, the incident happens while the device was laying flat on a table and it was not connected to power source. He tried to hold the device in hand but dropped on the ground because it was too hot. While he also got in touch with the company, he was denied any kind of refurbishment. Samsung says the device was burned because of external force and not from internally. A couple of years back, Samsung recalled the Galaxy Note 7 smartphone because of its battery issue. However, Samsung came out with more advanced battery testing procedure to ensure the safety of its device. Now, the 4500 mAh battery of the Samsung Galaxy S10 5G is the highest capacity we have ever seen on a Galaxy S smartphone. With this device, the company also offers 25-watt fast charging support for the very first time. After the Galaxy Note 7 fiasco, the company also launched two generations of Galaxy Note series without any issue. With the upcoming launches in the US and Europe, we should be seeing more devices getting in the hands of users. Even though the device might have passed the lab test with flying colors, the user might spot some issue in real-life users. As of now, there are no other reports about the battery issue on Galaxy S9 5G smartphone. Stay tuned on MobTech for more details. Thank you for watching our video. Please like and share with your friends and subscribe our channel.